the extra weather strip, keeping the rain. There's a little caulk that door, as you see where the transom is, the window transom is going to go. Copper actually helps preserve the wood, so these do nicely, as you can see. You can see the setup. The big hardly be opened, only when I'm in or something. I'll pretty much use the small most of the time. Here's some close-ups of the framing and the heavy-duty knee braces. Now, if you want to go extreme, you could actually insulate these doors, the inside of the frame, and then cover it up with pine boards if you want. But I kind of like uninsulated, but it can be done. Close-ups, cane bolts.